Hello everyone, welcome to Sarah's Sketchbook. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change this beautiful croquis to a moving model. For example, imagine this one is doing a catwalk, and I do explain how to do it and how to do the little changes and make it completely different. If you haven't watched the previous video, I suggest you to do so, because in the previous one I did explain how to get into this simple fashion figure from the scratch. I leave the link in the description and you can watch it anytime. So let's get started. First of all, I did make a new layer, and I'm using a different color just to explain what we exactly need to do to make it a catwalk. So firstly, the shoulder is gonna move as well to this way, and it's not gonna stay straight, and the hip would move as well, and also one of the leg would be changed, and the size of it would be shortened and a little bit how to say, a bit more wide in some little bits. So let's exactly make it, and I do explain what happens here. Now I make a new layer. I get my black pencil again. Also, I do reduce the opacity of the previous one, and let's do it again. The size is too big. So the head doesn't change that much. You can keep it as it is, but the shoulders does. And it kind of, one of them moves more to the back and one arm is moving forward. So this one, let's keep this where it is and move the left one to the back. So as I did explain, this hip is moving to the other side. It means even the waistline is moving, and it's going to be like that as well. So knees are still staying next to each other. But this leg is bending, and that is the reason, because it's moved to the back. This is the reason it will be shown very shorter as well. So this is how curvy we need to show them. And here we have the hip, which moved to that side even more. So we reduce from one side and add to the other side, but that's a little bit exaggerated. And this leg could move in front of the other a bit. Just like that. Okay. And the other shoulder is kind of more closer to the body. Just like that. So now if we get rid of this other lines and even this one, so now this is the new fashion croquis we are having, but it's a big difference here now, and we can easily see it's doing catwalk. So now let's just rub off the lines that we don't need anymore. One of them is these two arrows, and make it more clearer and make it ready for the outfit. I think only here. Okay guys, so now I have tried to make a simple fashion croquis to a catwalk model, and now it is completely ready for the outfit. So I'm not gonna make this video too long, and the outfit is going to be in the next video. So in the next one I'm going to draw a beautiful dress on it, and I'll try to make it a see-through fabric and kind of, let's say, a sheer fabric, and you can see the body as well. Thanks for watching this one, and if you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions, just let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching, and bye.